Hey guys, Jan with REMAX Alliance.
Hey everyone, Mike Kazell, mortgage advisor with Mortgage 300.
And we were talking the other day about the questions that were being asked most frequently from our clients. We figured we'd do a quick video for you and answer those questions for you.
So as 2019 kicks off, biggest question I'm getting from clients who are thinking about buying a house is what's happening with interest rates. And I think if you've been paying attention, you can probably tell rates have been improving over the last several weeks. This can be pretty much attributed to there's being a lot of uncertainty in the economy right now. Right now, the government shutdown has everybody pretty uneasy. That still hasn't been fully resolved. The trade talks with China are kind of slowing down global economic growth. And on top of that, the Federal Reserve announced that they plan on halting or even not having any further interest rate hikes throughout the rest of this year. So all those indicators lead us to believe it's likely to have better interest rates into the future, or at least they'll stay at the same rate where they are right now.
Which is a perfect segue into my question that I'm being asked most frequently is now a good time to buy? With what Mike just said, the short answer is yes. And the reason for that, aside from the interest rates, is that during the winter time, before spring hits, when the buyers really come out of the woodworks, the buyer pool is so much smaller than it is during the spring and summer months, basically meaning that you as the buyer have so much less competition when putting in an offer for a house. So like I said, the short answer is yes. The other question I'm getting asked a lot is about people that are considering whether to sell or not. If you're thinking about selling, contact us. It'd be good for one of us to stop by and take a look at the house. Maybe there are some really easy fixes, some things that you need to do to get the house really ready to sell, which actually now would be perfect time before spring and summer hit. So again, if you're thinking about selling, contact us. We're happy to help in any way that we can.
And that really leads into another question I get from clients regarding the whole timeline for the approval process. And also, as Jan's saying too, the timeline for planning on selling your house. For both of those topics, my recommendation is always the earlier you're able to start the process, the better. The actual time frame to get approved for a mortgage shouldn't be more than 1 or 2 days if you're working with a lender who is following a process where they know they can get you approved following a system that works. As far as selling a house, I think for most people, if you sell 2 or 3 houses in your lifetime, that's a pretty big financial milestone. The further in front of that decision that you sit down with someone who can help you navigate, how much money you're going to be getting from closing, the best places to allocate that moving forward to put you in the best financial position moving in the future, the better. So all that being said, with 2019 starting a little bit slow in the housing market, I really do think it's opening up a great opportunity for anybody who's looking to sell their house or anybody who's looking to buy their house to work with Jan and I as early as possible in the process. Just get that plan in place. Once you have a plan in place, then it's just about executing and pulling the trigger when the right opportunity presents itself.
Couldn't have said it any better myself.
There you go.
Guys, if you need anything else, again, contact us anytime. Thanks for joining us.
All right.